Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2027 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R Modified, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. Positioned at an estimated global price of $32,000 in customized trim, this hyperbike stands as a legendary testament to custom engineering and aggressive road presence. From first glance, its premium exterior design demands total admiration. Featuring a high-gloss slate gray paint job enriched by deep crimson accent stripping, dark carbon fiber trims, and precision-milled engine covers. Its aggressive aerodynamic styling is intentionally engineered to slice cleanly through severe air resistance, showcasing a sculpted front fairing, enlarged dual-ram air intake scoops, aerodynamic side winglets, and an extended, dark-tinted windscreen that channels turbulence smoothly over the tucked-in rider at incredible speeds. The defining physical highlight of this custom build remains its dramatically stretched rear swingarm, lowering the overall stance while housing a massive 300mm fat rear tire fitted to a striking multi-spoke, deep dish wheel. Stepping into the cockpit, interior luxury is redefined for a motorcycle through exceptional seating comfort. Highlighting a custom-stitched, gel-infused saddle coated in water-resistant synthetic suede that delivers maximum lumbar support during violent launches and extended highway tours. The modernized dashboard layout places vital metrics directly in the line of sight, anchored by a 7-inch high-definition TFT display functioning as an advanced infotainment system. This console offers seamless Bluetooth smartphone integration, turn-by-turn GPS navigation, helmet audio controls, and comprehensive vehicle telemetry, allowing the pilot to monitor tire pressure, lean angles, engine heat, and trip analytics. At the heart of this modified weapon lies an incredible 1,441cc inline-four engine, fine-tuned with ECU remapping, high-flow fuel injectors, and a custom shorty side exit performance exhaust that elevates output beyond 210 horsepower. The sheer speed and acceleration feel are exhilarating, catapulting the bike from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, while sending an unmistakable mechanical surge through the rider as the quickshifter engages clutchless gear shifts. On the open road, driving comfort is remarkably well preserved through electronic semi-active suspension dampening that dynamically adjusts to pavement conditions, smoothing out harsh bumps. Advanced safety features and rider assistance systems provide complete confidence, incorporating a 6-axis IMU, multi-level traction control, cornering ABS, wheelie mitigation, launch assist, and electronic cruise control. Regarding efficiency, this high-capacity combustion powertrain achieves an estimated fuel efficiency of 35 miles per gallon, striking a sensible balance between massive power output and long-distance touring range. Across diverse international environments, the overall driving experience is dominant and captivating, delivering rock-solid, straight-line stability on sprawling American interstates, assertive presence along dense European city streets, and thrilling high-speed poise on smooth transcontinental highways. The elongated chassis keeps the front end grounded during hard acceleration, making high-speed pulls feel effortless and immensely satisfying for seasoned motorcycle enthusiasts. Acoustic tuning from the custom exhaust creates a deep, authoritative growl at low revs that transforms into a screaming roar as the engine reaches its upper limits, turning heads in every urban strip or rural bypass. Handling dynamics require deliberate rider input due to the wider rear tire, yet the calibrated geometry ensures smooth, predictable lean characteristics when navigating sweeping turns or highway interchanges. Upgraded radial mount Brembo brake calipers clamp down on oversized floating rotors, offering immense stopping power that instills absolute confidence during sudden speed reductions on crowded thoroughfares. Long-distance travel routes become an absolute pleasure thanks to relaxed wrist angles from elevated clip-on handlebars and reduced wind buffeting provided by the sculpted front fairings. Every mechanical component on this motorcycle reflects purposeful craftsmanship, combining show-stopping aesthetics with brutal, uncompromised performance capability. Whether parked under neon city lights or devouring endless asphalt across cross-country highways, this custom machine symbolizes the ultimate fusion of speed, luxury, and engineering art. It redefines what a modern modified hyperbike can achieve, blending street-legal tractability with drag strip dominance in one complete, breathtaking package. For riders seeking the pinnacle of two-wheeled performance, unmatched curb appeal, and cutting-edge electronic sophistication, this build sets a new global benchmark. It stands as a true icon of modern automotive culture, inspiring motorcycle enthusiasts around the world with its relentless pursuit of power, speed, style, prestige, and uncompromised open-road freedom on every single ride.